Welcome to one of the most extraordinary biotechnology facilities on Earth. More than 1 lakh scorpions are raised here under carefully controlled conditions.
The facility operates around the clock, maintaining ideal environmental conditions for healthy scorpion growth. Every new generation begins with newborn scorpions, carefully protected by their mothers.
Young scorpions spend their early life in specialized nursery chambers designed for maximum survival.
A dedicated feed production system ensures a constant supply of nutrition for the growing colony. Regular feeding helps maintain healthy growth and supports venom production. Each scorpion is monitored to ensure optimal health and development.
Once fully mature, selected scorpions move to the venom production section.
Venom collection takes place inside highly controlled laboratory environments. Specialized equipment allows researchers to collect tiny amounts of venom safely and efficiently.
Even a single drop contains a complex mixture of biologically active compounds.
Collected samples are stored under precise conditions to preserve their quality. Each venom sample is carefully tested for purity, consistency, and biological activity before moving to the next stage of processing.
The raw venom undergoes advanced purification processes to isolate specific compounds. Researchers study purified molecules using cutting-edge biotechnology tools. Every compound is carefully analyzed for potential scientific and medical applications.
After extensive research, approved compounds move into pharmaceutical formulation systems.
Advanced production lines fill and seal thousands of medical vials every hour. Thousands of medical vials every hour.
Every product undergoes strict testing before reaching healthcare facilities.
Finished products are packaged and prepared for distribution around the world. From 1 lakh scorpions to advanced biotechnology research, this incredible journey demonstrates the power of modern science and innovation.